What is up, guys? Welcome back. So basically in today's video we are going to be discussing market direction. So what is market direction? Basically, market direction is where the market's headed. So when you're looking at a chart, you're looking for the market direction. So if it's either going up, down, or sideways. So I'm gonna show you an example on USDCAD. Basically, the best way I like to establish market direction is by drawing trend lines. Basically, I'm gonna go ahead and find my major pivot point, which is this one, and then extend that to different other pivot points. So I'm gonna go ahead and extend that. So right here, the market direction is to the upside, and then as soon as it breaks, the market direction switches to the downside. You can see it's headed to the downside. So let me show you a couple examples. I'm gonna go ahead and establish a pivot point there, extend that to multiple pivot points, and boom, that right there is your turn line. It's headed to the downside, right? It's a turn. And so I'm gonna go ahead. You can see that breaks right here. I'm gonna go ahead and draw another one. So as soon as it breaks higher, then the turn is to the upside. It's either sideways or to the upside. So we draw another turn line just to determine another pivot point, which is this one, and you can see it jumps off of that. And then it breaks over here, so I'm looking for some selling opportunities. So we do this right here. So we're setting around here, and then we're taking it down. And as soon as it breaks, we're looking for some buying opportunities. So we found one here using our strategy. So let's say a demand zone. Let's find our demand zone. I'm going to change my tool. Hold on, guys. I'm going to go ahead and change my tool. We have a demand zone there. And then we're going to go ahead and establish a Fibonacci. Let me go ahead and make that really accurate. Yeah, that's good. Draw a Fibonacci extension, which is going to be here. And then we get a negative 61% retracement, as well as the Fibonacci. Not the Fibonacci, but the demand zone. But we also got to find our trend line. So this one is another example that we can't really establish a real trend line. So we're going to go ahead and do one that's really difficult to learn, which is here. And see what we get. We're picking areas that gets respected the most. This one gets respected the most. It got respected there, as well as there. Let's establish one there. So this is the area we're looking to get into the market. You can see as soon as it broke the trend line, it said to the upside. It switched its direction. So yeah, let me go ahead and zoom out. Hold on, guys. So basically, that's the best way right now for beginners to find market direction. And let me go ahead. So now we can go ahead and draw. Sorry, guys, my computer's kind of running slow. So we can go ahead and draw another. Dang it. Hold on, guys. Looking for my trend line. So we can go ahead and draw another trend line. As soon as we enter, we can go ahead and draw another one. And we can take it to the upside. Once it breaks, this right here, you could have taken profit. So for me, I would have taken profit right here. The reason being, so once it broke, I would have, as soon as it broke below that, is where I would have taken profit, because the market is about to go to a downsending direction because it's price action. It made a new lower low, so I'm definitely selling that. And so now that we got that, as soon as it breaks, we can go ahead and establish another trend line. And remember, it breaks, headed. Hold on. Remember, it breaks, and then now the direction is headed to the downside, so it changes direction. So yeah, that's basically it when it comes to market direction. So I want you guys to practice this. Go ahead and send me some screenshots, maybe perhaps some videos You can do it on your phone or on your computer. And basically, all you're gonna do is do the same thing I'm doing. Is go ahead and get yourself a chart and start establishing some trend directions. So you're gonna do that. You're gonna do that, and you're gonna ask yourself where the market is headed. Is it going down, or is it going sideways, or is it going to the upside? So let me show you a sideways direction. So this right here broke the trend line, but I'm still looking for some selling opportunities, right? But the market also went sideways. You can see. Hold on, guys. My bad. My computer is running really slow right now. Hold on. So you can see that it went sideways for a good bit, and then it decided to go down. So you're gonna have a lot of those as well, but more often than not, it's gonna go to the opposite direction of that movement. So off of that breakout. So basically, I want you guys to go ahead and get yourself a chart, establish some trend direction with the trend lines, and send it to me through my email or DMs or whatever. So that's basically it for the market direction. And eventually, I'm going to show you guys moving average is a different way of finding market direction, but it's more of advanced level. But this is a good way of finding market direction. So go ahead and study this, and I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys in the next video.